Hello, and welcome to another fascinating journey into the world of law. Today, we are going to explore a case that has had a lasting impact on the principles of agency law. We will be diving deep into the historical legal case of Turpin v. Bilton, which took place in the year 1843. This case is crucial for understanding the duties and liabilities of an agent in the context of maritime insurance. The case was decided in England and involved two key figures, Mr. Turpin, a ship owner, and Mr. Bilton, an insurance agent. Their story is a compelling one that highlights the complexities of trust and responsibility. Mr. Turpin, a successful businessman, owned a ship that sailed the seas carrying valuable cargo. His livelihood depended on the safe passage of his goods across treacherous waters. To safeguard his financial interests, he sought the expertise of Mr. Bilton, an insurance agent known for his proficiency in securing maritime insurance policies. Mr. Bilton's primary responsibility was to find and secure comprehensive insurance coverage for Mr. Turpin's ship, ensuring it was protected against potential maritime risks, such as storms, piracy, and other unforeseen events. This case revolves around a fundamental principle: trust. Trust is the cornerstone of any agent-client relationship, and it was no different for Mr. Turpin and Mr. Bilton. Mr. Turpin placed immense trust in Mr. Bilton to carry out his instructions diligently and to act in his best interests at all times. However, this trust was tragically broken. The breach of this trust led to a legal battle with significant implications for the world of agency law. The outcome of Turpin v. Bilton set a precedent that continues to influence legal interpretations of agency duties and liabilities to this day. Mr. Turpin instructed Mr. Bilton to secure insurance for his ship's upcoming voyage. Clear instructions were given, outlining the details of the journey and the value of the ship and its cargo. However, due to what can only be described as negligence on Mr. Bilton's part, the ship set sail without insurance coverage. Tragedy struck during the voyage. The ship, buffeted by unforgiving winds and waves, met its demise. The loss was substantial for Mr. Turpin, who had placed his trust in Mr. Bilton to protect his interests. Discovering that his ship was uninsured added insult to injury, leading him to seek justice through the courts. The heart of the legal battle lay in the concept of an agent's duty, a principle deeply rooted in trust and responsibility. Mr. Turpin argued that Mr. Bilton, as his agent, had a fundamental duty to follow his instructions and act in his best interests, ensuring all necessary precautions were taken. By failing to secure insurance, Mr. Bilton had breached this duty, directly leading to Mr. Turpin's financial loss, which could have been avoided with proper diligence. Mr. Bilton, in his defense, argued that he had simply forgotten to secure the insurance, a lapse he deeply regretted. He claimed that his oversight was an honest mistake and should not be grounds for holding him liable for the entire loss of the ship, emphasizing his long-standing record of reliability. The courtroom became a battleground of legal principles, with both sides presenting their arguments with fervor, each trying to sway the judge and jury to their perspective on duty and breach. Section 4. The verdict and its significance. The court, after careful consideration of the facts and arguments presented, ruled in favor of Mr. Turpin. The judge emphasized that an agent, when entrusted with responsibility, is obligated to act with due care and diligence. Mr. Bilton's failure to secure insurance, even if unintentional, constituted a breach of this duty. The court held Mr. Bilton liable for the financial loss suffered by Mr. Turpin. This decision sent shockwaves through the legal community, reinforcing the importance of an agent's duty to their principal. It made it clear that negligence, even if unintentional, could have serious legal consequences. Section 5. Lessons from the case and agent's responsibility. Turpin v. Bilton stands as a stark reminder of the responsibilities shouldered by agents. This landmark case from the 19th century brought to light the critical role that agents play in various transactions and agreements. It underscores the importance of clear communication, diligence, and a commitment to acting in the best interests of the principal. Agents must ensure that every detail is meticulously handled and that their actions are transparent and accountable. The case highlights the potential consequences of negligence, even when unintentional. A single oversight can lead to significant repercussions, affecting not just the agent but also the principal and other stakeholders involved. This historical legal battle serves as a valuable lesson for anyone acting as an agent, be it in the world of insurance, business, or any other field where trust and responsibility are paramount. The principles derived from this case continue to influence modern legal standards and professional practices. It reminds us that the actions of an agent can have significant financial and legal implications for both themselves and those they represent. Therefore, maintaining integrity, thoroughness, and a proactive approach is essential in fulfilling an agent's duties effectively.